How to add a CapCut template from TikTok. You can use TikTok templates in CapCut by following these steps. Open the TikTok app on your device. Find the video with the template you want to use. Or you can search on the top right corner of TikTok. You can see many options for CapCut video will appear on the screen. Select any option from here. Many videos will appear here. Select one template. CapCut Try This template will appear on your screen. Select the option. And here comes the option. Use template in CapCut. Here, the screen of CapCut opens. Select the option of Use Template on right corner of screen. Select the video and select Preview. The video open in the app. And you can see Export option on top right corner of screen. Select Export. Video will start exporting. Select the option. Share to TikTok and done. If you don't see the option Try This template, then go to Play Store and update TikTok. If you find an open button on Play Store, that's mean it was updated. The other option is we can open the browser and search for CapCut templates there. You can find official CapCut website there. We can click on it and find CapCut templates. If you want to use, click on Open CapCut and you will see the CapCut open on your screen. So you can use template on CapCut screen. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.